Okay, so it's unboxing time. Now, the only thing I've done with this box so far is remove the label. And I'm on a time limit because there's washing to be done. I don't want the washing machine going while this is going. And we got a dog in the background scratching his ass. Right, so there we go. Undone that. Let's have a look what we've got in here. Wrapping. Right, that's okay. That's not my address there, so I don't have to hide that. Let's see. Now we've got the wrapping. Move the box out of the way. Oh, there we are. Let's have a look. We should have three things. We should have the PiStorm, a Pi, which we have, and a card, which we have. There we go. And we've got focusing problems. Yay! I should have fixed the focus. Never mind. Tappity, tappity, tap. Buster, can you sit down, please, sweetheart? Thank you. Come on, open your gate. Come on. I've been up since 10 to 3. This is probably not a good idea doing all this today, but there we go. And here it is. It's all together already. Nice. Take it out. Come on. There we are. There we go. There's the PiStorm. And the Pi already attached with the card inside. I will take the card out and have a look at it before I actually plug it into the Amiga. But let's have a look. Right. USB. HDMI. Is that? Yep, it's going to be fun because the recommended HDMI expander is the wrong type. Oh, deep joy. Never mind, we'll sort something out. Okay, so that's the unboxing. Let's get on with the Amiga. Now, before we get on to the Amiga itself, what I want to do is play a before clip for We Come in Peace. Now, the demo itself won't even think about loading on a stock 1200. So what you hear here is the WAV of it playing, and as you'll be able to hear, it's very jerky. Okay, this is where the fun starts, and yes, there's no retro brighting done on this at all, nothing cosmetic, so let's get into it. Now, we do have a problem with the cabling, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Right, I don't want to touch that just yet, but what I want to do is undo these screws. We start off with the ones by the disk drive, and I'm going to put them somewhere safe and relevant to where we are. So we put the long one there, we put the two that's holding the floppy over here, and we'll start on this side. Put that one up there, next one down. Which does not want to come out. It's alright, it's just being fiddly. Let's get a smaller screwdriver. Can I get it with that? Can you come up with that? No, this. It is loose, it can come out, but I don't want to just drop the screw anywhere. Okay, we'll forget that for the moment, we'll get these three out. Right, and then we put these three down here because these three are identical, and I just knocked the camera. Oops. There we go. I'm sort of semi-organised, but not very tidily. And there's very cramped space. And of course, as soon as I put the trapdoor cover on the windowsill, the cat jumps on the windowsill. Okay, so that's ready to take off. Turn this carefully around. Here's the other screw. You put that by there. Actually, I'll put that there so it's pretty much in the right place proportionally. Lift the case. Now we want to take the keyboard off very carefully. I'm not very good at this sort of thing on stream, or on recording. There we are, keyboard's off. You also need to take out this and put these to the side. There we go. Away from any cats. Now we've got another screw here for the floppy itself. We'll take that out. We'll leave that one on there. Take the floppy cables out of the motherboard and out of the floppy itself. We'll bring that to the side. That to the side as well. So we need to take this out and this out. Come on, out you can. Out you can. There we go. The old RAM expansion. 4 megabytes. Put this to the side as well. And now, which way around? Let's have a look at this RAM expansion and figure out which way around this goes. It goes that way around. Oh, that is wonderful, isn't it? Oh, look at that bloody. Wait, is that in? I think that's in. It might not be. That's in. There we go. Now that's in. But the problem we got with the cable wise is that does not fit that. I'm just looking at the other cable I got now. So here we go. And that does not fit well in there, does it? That will bend it. I can't do this properly today. Damn it, and absolutely damn it. I can't install everything I want today. Nah, that's not going to go in there at all. I don't want to bend everything. No, I'm not going to force it. I'm not going to force it. Now I could take the shield off. I don't want to do that. I'm going to have to get a better... Okay, now where's the other thing? It's there. Everything is the wrong bloody place, isn't it? Okay, I've got to go there. And again, I don't want to bend everything. Be careful with that. Oh, this is going to be nightmare. Everything that was recommended to me is not working. So at this point I was pretty much disheartened. So I took it off camera, I did a few things off camera, and now you'll see the result. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. We've got the PiStorm installed, got an extension here which will eventually go there. We've got that just in. I've taken the cover off, the shielding off. It's probably not necessary anyway. And if I turn this on, I'm going to put this there just to keep the keyboard tidy. There's a lot of metal on that keyboard. And I want to tidy that as well. I found I can't yet figure out how to use the internal, but that's something to be worked on. I know it can be done, but it's something I mean, I'm a bit tired at the moment. So yeah, this is what it is. I have recorded the demo of We Come in Peace, which is absolutely bloody amazing. It's a little bit tricky on that SCART, but I will switch through a few things now. If I switch over to running, webcam, sorry, just webcam. I got the webcam there, just to capture. That's the mister. So I'll switch this on, which will switch over to the PiStorm and to the Amiga. And this is the RTG. This is coming from the PiStorm itself at the moment. I do have a bit of fiddling with graphics to do. And there we are. This is Caffeine OS. DF not bad, of course, because there's no floppy connected. Now, stuff. Just as an example, games. Let's have a look. Bomb Jack Beer Edition. Oh, there we are. You can hear it, you can't see it. Switch this, and I think I've got to do a few bits and pieces on the back of the this. If I switch it there and there, maybe that will work. Here we are. I got it now, and there we have it. So it does play the normal stuff. At least I think it does. It just crashed. I did do it. Don't like that one. Oh dear. I got some things to sort out with this. No signal. There we are. It's gone. Is the whole computer crashed? Let's have a look. Well, no. It's just gone back to. It's just gone back to this. Let's try another one instead. Where are we now? Devil's Temple. I know I'm going to have to actually... Yeah, Devil's Temple. Okay, right. I'm going to have to fiddle about on the back of this thing again. Probably. Yeah. There we go. And there we have Devil's Temple. I think this one probably runs okay. We'll try now. Press start. That bloody annoying thing there. I may have to get another SCART. We'll just start the game just to see if it works. Yeah, it does work. Look. Two buttons. I'm doing this very awkward because the joystick is on my knee at the moment. So anyway, that's a demonstration of that. Now I'm going to have to reset the Amiga. Get back. There we go. Will this switch automatically to 4? It will not. There we go. Back there. And now we'll do a quick go of that We Come in Peace. If I can find it on this install. And when I do that, I will pause. I will mute my mic. Oh, that's not right, is it? It looks tidier, but it's wrong. That's because, yeah, okay, I can figure that one out at another time. Let's have a go. System. No, don't want that. Oh, whoa. It's done something wrong here. Oh, the problems with bloody... Okay, what have I done? Right. No, I got a cat on me now. Right, Opus. No, let's go to this. Right. I can't move it. I can't close it. Oh, what is happening? You're getting this raw and dirty. This is all brand new to me, so yeah, that's not working. That is really not working. I'll switch back to there, and what I'll do this time is I'll actually power cycle rather than just reset. Yep, you're getting this raw and dirty. I got a lot to learn, and I probably won't do it today. Cat being a pain in the ass. He's lovely, but he wants attention, he does. There we go, that's better. That's better. So, what was it? We Come in Peace, wasn't it? And I've got it on here. Where did I put it? It's in stuff. I don't even know if AHI is working. I mean, it's not clear at the moment because I think the capture is mucking up with the demos. There we go, demos. Where did we put it? WKIP. I'm not going to do it with the HCI. I'll just run it as is. Here we go. Once this is loaded, I will mute the mic and let you enjoy. There we are. It is loading. Now, as you've already heard, it's really jerky just on the music, but look at this. Excuse, I'm going to mute the mic now because the washing machine's going off and it's a little bit distracting from this. The rest is just credits, so that's the We Come in Peace demo. Back to there. I got a lot of fiddling to do. A lot of bloody fiddling to do. I'm sure I'll get it all done. Let's get that up there. Close that. But this is quite the amazing little let's see if I can find, oops, get the right mouse. See if I can find in system. See if there's a utils. Is there one there? Let's have a look. What I'm looking for at the moment is sysinfo or something like that. I probably ain't got it on here, but it's bloody fast. It was at this point things went mental in the other room. Not in a bad way, just in a jokey way, but it interrupted my video, so on with the show. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Still a little bit of chaos in the background. As you can see, 2 mega chip RAM, almost completely free. 337 megabytes of fast RAM. The time is set, but no real-time clock. There is no network. There are ways of getting the network, but not via MU68, because that's not got a Linux underpinning system. I will be playing more as I go along with this. But yes, it's looking quite well so far. I've set a screen mode, which is readable now. So, yeah, AHI works. So We Come in Peace does work in the AHI mode, which I've tried in here. And I'm quite pleased with it. It is installed tentatively, because there are still a few things I need to sort out. For instance, the real-time clock. I need to get my own install as an option, which I will be playing with over the next few days. Maybe tricky, we shall see. Yeah, quite pleased with it. It's a bit more tricky than I was expecting, I gotta be honest, but it's bloody fast. The one thing I am a bit pissed off about, which I will admit, is the connector that was advised does not work. It's the wrong type. It's for a mini HDMI, and the Pi has a normal HDMI out. So I'm going to have to look into getting an adapter for that. But I think all these things will have to wait until payday. So, there we go. What more can I say? That's Caffeine OS. Caffeine OS is running in 720p, because if I put it into 1080, there's some problem there. Again, this is just a start. This is a learning curve. This is like having a new Amiga. But yeah, we have got actually a where are we? At PiStorm sysinfo. No, that's not what I'm thinking of. But yeah, it's showing you the stuff there. It's not what I was thinking of, but yeah. I'm wondering if bomb jack is because of the cache, but I'll sort that out later. Okay. You know my trouble? I don't know when to stop. Okay, so this is my existing install, which has been imaged across to the SD card for the PiStorm. And if we go over here, look how fast these open now. Sysinfo. Look at the drives. We look at the drive speed. DH0, which is the hard drive on there. And we'll check the speed. Bang. There we are. 21 megabytes per second. That's good going for an Amiga. Come out of that, and of course we know. Now we know, really, that sysinfo isn't the best or the most accurate, but I mean 703 times faster than an original Amiga 1200. And we'll just have a look at the WHD load folder, one of the busiest folders, S. Oh, there's two of them. Look how fast it loads. How fast that loads. Now, other things I've done with this is I've got hold of a WHD image. So if I turn that off, I can switch out. Yeah, I think it's that one. Switch out the SD card. Switch it back on again. Yeah, we don't really want that one, so we'll switch back to 3. Which probably means giving this a tickle. Come on, tickle. Good here, isn't it? Oh no, I should. Oh, I got the wrong one, haven't I? I got the. Oh no, there we are. There it is. There it is. So that's the WHD load image I downloaded. Let's get. Come on, that scarf thing is a pain in the arse. So yeah. Also, I think this is a multi-view. That's it. Okay. Now we'll go one more thing before I wrap this lot up, which means turning it off again. I mean, yeah, okay, we got all the other stuff as well. Games Ripper kit. Of course, you got directory opus in anything like this. Why Virus Z? I don't know. I mean, nobody's going to touch a virus on the Amiga these days. I know they exist out there, but yeah. Okay, turn this off again. And switch back to. Oh, I've done a fresh Caffeine OS image, so excuse the blue screen while I do this. Why is that saying a blue? Do you know something? That is something else. But I won't say what. For now, right, this will go straight into Caffeine OS now. There we go, a little jingle. And the only reason I want to bring this up, I mean, we've already seen it running at a decent resolution, is, where are we? Games. This actually works fine. Yes, you can see it. There it is. Wait for the scar thing to disappear and give it a very quick game. It will be a quick game. I'm not going to go for any Go away. I'm going to have to time that and figure out. There we are. See how it works. It was just a glitch. I'll just feel it. Oops. Never mind. 20,000. Oh, what a disaster. What a maroon. There we are. So there, I'm gonna quit now. The slow way, because there's no way out of this. There's no way you can quit before it. No, it's not a WHD game, so it's not gonna quit. One more. Come on. Now we can exit. And in fact, just about every game I've thrown at it works. Every demo I've thrown at it works. I know there are issues, but I haven't found any yet. And apparently they're all solvable just by changing. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Solve it. I'll reboot. They're all solvable by just changing config files. So yeah. Bring that, let it come back up again. Oh, that doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. Is that because I know why that is? I'm going to have to turn it off. Turn it back on again. Oh yeah, a little bit fiddly in some cases. But this is probably the best thing I've ever gotten for the Amiga. I mean, okay, the best thing I ever got for the Commodore 64 was the Ultimate 2 Plus. And this is the best thing I've ever got for the Amiga. It's really changed how I use it. You can play certain things, you know, Alien Breed 3D, which runs like a dog on normal computers. It flies. It flies. It's absolutely marvellous. Even the Office suites run quite, you know, really well. No. Of course, I don't like the clicking, so one of the first things I ever put in there is the no click. So yeah, there we go. This is finally the conclusion of my video. Thank you, air freshener. We really needed that. This is finally the conclusion of my video. The PiStorm. I do not recommend it for anybody who really doesn't think they'll get use for it. If you're just a gamer, stick with the old Amiga. Don't bother doing this. It is far too tricky. And I mean, it's only my persistence that's actually got this working as well as it has. I've still got a few things left to do with it, as I've said. I gotta find the bloody screws I bought. The screw nuts and bolts. Only one I need to fit the bracket. But I can't fit the bracket yet because the HDMI lead is not right. I found an adapter online so I can use my little angle thing. But again, it's good. It'll need to keep the shield off, and it'll all fit neatly, so it's tidy at the back and not just an HDMI cable just connected to the PiStorm and streaming straight to the back panel. Pardon me, I think. Yes, I say pardon me. You won't have heard that because I'm going to edit out that cough. So yeah, here we are. In conclusion, I'm glad I got this. It was worth the wait. Absolutely. Even though I was a little bit disappointed when I first started to see how tricky it was to use, once you get used to it, yes, well worth it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it's given you some insight. And I'll catch you on the next video. Ta-ra now.